Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports live wallpapers and gathering a file. Open the app you installed and grant the requested permissions so it can access media and set wallpapers. Then import your source clip or live photo. Choose a short loopable section near 15-30 seconds so it cycles smoothly. Once imported, preview it in the app. Make small edits now. Trim, choose loop type, and remove audio if you want a silent wallpaper, so you don't have to redo steps later. You now refine the visual and performance settings to balance look and battery life. First, crop to your screen ratio and set loop points for a seamless repeat. This makes motion feel natural rather than jumpy. Next, tweak playback speed and stabilization so movement isn't too fast or jittery. Make sure brightness and contrast aren't boosting power use. Once done, pick resolution or frame skip options. These save battery. Then choose whether it should animate on home, lock, or both so you finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying behavior across your device. Tap Apply, choose home or lock screens, and watch the preview to confirm proper alignment and looping. Then lock and wake the phone and navigate the home screen to test for stutter or lag. If you notice poor performance or battery drain, make one targeted change. Re-export at lower resolution, reduce frame rate, or clear the wallpaper app cache. If still problematic, switch to a static image as a temporary fallback until you optimize further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.